Good morning, guys. It's currently like 6 a.m. right now. Pretty tired when I woke up, but we're going to catch our plane now, and I'm pretty excited. It is raining right now in Canada, or where I am at least. I'm pretty sure the weather in Barbados is going to be much better than here. But anyways, we're going to leave really soon. Next time you'll see me, we'll probably be in Barbados. I'll film some stuff along the way for you guys. So yeah, see you guys in Barbados. Ooh, hey Daniel. Don't put that in.
11 with this aircraft, just a friendly reminder, please have those passport and boarding passes up ready for presentation. Us equals expert at our boarding passes. Thank you.
Hey Daniel, how's it going, buddy? Good.
So a nice cold drink.
Hello. Hey Daniel. Gonna do a little MTV Cribs tour. It's gonna be hard. Part 2.
Last time we did one was one.
So like 2 years ago. Okay. Let's start over here. I haven't even looked around yet, but like right at the door. I'll try to keep myself in frame as much as possible. Just the door right there. We have a little kitchen-ish kind of thing. Didn't know we had this actually. Cool. A little stove, a little sink. It's on a fridge. Look inside. We have a nice empty water thing. Nice empty fridge. And then this is a freezer. And some ice cube thing. Cool. That's awesome. We have some cupboards and a microwave too. Hey Daniel. What's this? What's this right here? I don't even know what this is. Oh, it's the next room. Whoops. We have a bathroom. There's me in the mirror right there. That's cool. Yeah, so like sink, bathroom, bathtub, whatever you want to call it. Sorry, toilet. I'm stupid. And we have a nice actual shower here. A nice glass shower. That's pretty sick. Don't know if you have to see that properly. And just some towels right there. It's pretty cool. It's like a little weird. And I feel like the best made part of the tour. So we have a little thing behind me. That's where our clothes and stuff go. We have a little table, some paintings and stuff. That's Daniel again. Nice little TV. And behind me you can see the beds. Hold on, let me show you guys. The little beds. See that? Hey, look, and then there's me in the mirror right there.
Little towel.
There's a little towel thing right there. The little towel spawn. That's our bag.
The bag's blocking. Look at it. Look at that.
There's a little towel spawn.
Beautiful.
Look at this bag. Look at that. Look cute. And this is the best part. Then we have like the couch here, stuff. And this is the best part. This is the outdoors. Look at this. Look at this. Let's open. How do you open this? There we go.
Oh,
there we go. Look at this. Look at this.
we have a nice view of the pool. Or the top floor.
The top floor.
Yeah.
See what's in the water room. Look at that. We have a nice little lounge right there too. Little bed. We have me.
You gotta get this view.
Look at this. Look at that. So that's a thumbnail right there. Look at that.
Yeah. I'm getting thumbnail.
There we go. That's a thumbnail right there. Look at that. We have the beach. We have the pool. Look at that. I'm gonna show you guys around the pool a little bit later. But yeah, that's basically it.
There's that bar down there.
The bar? Oh yeah, there's like a swim-up bar. Yeah. Show you guys later. Show you guys later. Come on. So yeah, that's our Cribs tour. We're gonna be doing a lot more videos throughout the week of our different things that we're gonna be doing. Anyways, if you guys like this video, please drop a like, leave some comments, whatever. Subscribe if you're new. Catch you guys later. Peace.